What is up, everybody? I'm going to do a really quick video and talk about my Victorinox limited edition 2024. I got the Pioneer X and the Classic. Now it's about 10 degrees outside right now, so I'm not going to spend that much time, but this is the Terra Brown limited edition 2024. The color is right there, Terra Brown. And it is a really nice color. Didn't see a whole lot of hype or build up about this knife before it came out, and my buddy was like, hey, are you gonna put an order in? And I was like, yeah, why not? And when you look at the pictures online, you think, oh, they did another chocolate brown, and it's not until you start to compare it to the other colors and shades to where you realize it's a unique color within itself, and it's actually quite nice. If you have a good collection, it'll jump right in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and look. Now this is the chocolate brown, or this is the brown color, so you can clearly see. Let me go ahead and just get this Alox green in there. So you can see it's a more golden color, a more green than the brown, and more brown than the green. So it's like this right in the middle color, and I really like it. So let's go ahead and compare up top. So here's the Terra Brown next to, this is the Toffee Brown. And this is the copper. And actually, let me flip the other side. It's more of a copper color for colors. So it's really nice. It really looks brown until you get it next to brown. But anyway, it's a very, I would say, a militant color, kind of a real coyote brown color. Yeah, guys, so here they are. Highly recommend. Definitely one of the best colors to come out in a while. I just feel like it's unique. So Terra Brown, little green, little brown. All right, one more time. Let's just get them all together here. Next to a Celador chocolate brown. There's the autumn orange, coyote brown. That's the cotton can, or the wet sand from the latest OD green. And at the end, so all original, guys. Terra Brown, it's a hit. Okay, peace out.